Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating idiom, race against time. Imagine you have a big project due very soon, or perhaps you're trying to catch a flight that's about to depart. In these moments, you might feel a sense of urgency, a need to complete something quickly before a deadline passes. Now, let's hear a funny story about someone who took this idiom a bit too literally. Our friend Alex was told he was in a race against time to finish his report. Instead of working faster, Alex actually put on his running shoes and started jogging around his office, thinking he literally had to race a clock. His colleagues were very confused, but it certainly made for a memorable day. So, what does race against time truly mean? It means to try to do something very quickly before a deadline or a specific event. The figurative meaning emphasizes urgency and the need for speed, not an actual physical race. Its origin comes from the idea of competing with the clock, where time is your opponent. Let's see how it's correctly used. Sarah was in a race against time to finish her painting before the art exhibition opened. She worked tirelessly, knowing every minute counted to perfect her masterpiece. Here are some example sentences to help you understand. First, the doctors were in a race against time to find a cure for the rare disease. Second, we had to race against time to pack our bags before the taxi arrived. Third, the firefighters were in a race against time to extinguish the blaze. To remember race against time, imagine a person running alongside a giant clock, trying to beat its ticking hands. This visual mnemonic helps you recall the urgency and the element of a deadline. Did you know that the phrase race against time became popular in the 19th century, often used in journalism? It perfectly captured the dramatic tension of events unfolding rapidly. Let's explore some related sayings. Similar idioms include against the clock, meaning to hurry to meet a deadline. Another similar phrase is running out of time, indicating that very little time remains. And time is of the essence, which means speed is crucial. For opposite meanings, we have take your time, encouraging slowness. No rush implies there is no need for haste. And leisurely pace suggests a relaxed speed. Common mistakes include using race with time instead of race against time. Remember, you are competing with time, not alongside it. Now, for a quick quiz. What does it mean to be in a race against time? A. To run a marathon very fast. B. To try to finish something quickly before a deadline. C. To compete with a clock in a physical race. The correct answer is B. It means to try to finish something quickly before a deadline. To recap, race against time means to work with great urgency to meet a deadline. It's about speed and completing a task before time runs out, not literally running. Now it's your turn. Share in the comments below a time when you were in a race against time. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.